Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remote play your PS5 on a Windows PC. The Sony PS5 is a real powerhouse of a video game console, and because Sony set it up out of the gate to support the remote play feature, you can play your console anywhere you've got a Windows PC and access to an internet connection. While there are hoops to jump through, the ability to play games remotely on your PS5 console from virtually anywhere using your PC is worth the effort. Now let's walk through the steps to use the remote play feature to access and play games on your PS5 from a Windows computer. Step 1. Click the settings icon on your PS5 home screen and then click System in the menu that's displayed. The System screen is shown. Step 2. Choose Remote Play in the menu on the left side of the screen. Options associated with Remote Play will be displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Toggle on Enable Remote Play. Step 4. Install the Remote Play app on your Windows PC. I'll put the link to the page you can download the installer from in this video's description. Step 5. Connect your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller to your PC using a USB cable. Step 6. Launch the PlayStation Remote Play app on your Windows PC. A Welcome to PS Remote Play window is shown. Click Sign in to PSN. A window prompting you to log in to your PlayStation Network account is displayed. Log in to your PSN account. A Data You Provide screen is shown, letting you know how Sony will use your information. In this example, I'll choose Confirm and Continue, but you can also choose to adjust those settings. A screen is shown asking you which console you want to log into. In this example, I'll choose PS5. Step 7. A small window is shown letting you know that before you can move forward with using Remote Play on your PS5, you have to enable Remote Play on your console. Because we've already done this, we'll click OK. A Searching for Connection screen will be momentarily shown, and eventually your PS5 home screen will be displayed in the Remote Play screen on your Windows computer, where you can play your PS5. Let me know what you think of the PS5's Remote Play feature in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.